Good afternoon, welcome back. It's a beautiful afternoon on a Sunday in April. Temperature's about 17 degrees and I've got a little job to do on the bike, so I thought, well, we'll turn it into a little ride, take you with me and find a nice spot. Just stopped off in Wooden Warren here. Oh yeah, look at this. It's almost time to take the liner out of the jacket. But I daren't, in case the weather changes and you'll blame me. Hope you've had a lovely few weeks, got some interesting rides. We've been pretty busy, we've been up to some stuff. I'll tell you all about that sometime. For now, let's enjoy the ride. Afternoon, gents. Look at this, beautiful weather. Perfect. It is warm out here. Jacket's coming off. So I've got a little mechanical job to do on the bike and I thought I'd just head out for a ride and do it over here to show you. And it's pretty complicated and I thought I might have to break this up into multiple parts, and so I went to ride my bike the other day, turned on the engine, went to check the lamps. Brake light works all right, but the tail light is not working, and I can't remember how many of those bulbs I've changed now. I was surprised just how often they go on a bike. I don't know if your experience is the same. Maybe it's the vibration or the voltage is a bit noisy on a bike rather than a car. I don't know, but I've changed rather more than I expected. So here's my top tip. I can highly recommend carrying a spare bulb with you, because I honestly think a broken taillight would be pretty dangerous. You know, on a car you've got two red lamps, and if one of them's out, well, hopefully the other one's still working. But on a bike, if your only red light goes, no one's going to see you on a dark road, and that would be really dangerous. So I would recommend carrying a spare like this, wrapped up in a bit of bubble wrap. There we go. Now, if you're looking for a replacement to buy, we're looking for one that says 5/21W, which means 5 watts. The tail light is 5 watts, and then the brake light is 21 watts, much brighter. You can also tell because it's got these two pins. One of them is higher than the other, so you can't put them the wrong way around in the fitting. And changing it's really easy, just to turn this grey thing here and pull it out. And there we go, there's the lamp. Just push it a little bit and twist it out. You can see which way it goes. The deeper pin there, it's got to go in that hole there. Push and twist, there we go. Now we can check it works before we put it back together. I'll just turn on the engine. Yeah, there we go. So the light's on, and then when we pull the brake lever, more light, easy peasy. Just reinsert that there, twist it shut, and there we go, lovely. But here's the good bit. I wondered if it would be possible to replace this with an LED, see if that might stop it going so often. So I bought these on Amazon, link in the description. And I honestly haven't tried them yet. I honestly don't know if it's going to work. They look like they should. I've got, you know, the two pins there and the same size. It's a white LED, but this is a white lamp and the reflector's red, so let's give it a try. 12.00 volts. This pin, it's drawing 0.10 amps, and this pin, ooh, too hot to hold, 0.48 amps. That's the good one, just in case. There we go. Turn on. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Okay, and we pull the brake lever. Oh, there we go. More power. Does it fit? Yeah. We'll give that a try. I'm wearing a helmet. This is the best way to hold a camera. I'll wrap up the remaining good one just in case. You get two in a pack, so I could carry a spare. I guess that's because they're intending them for cars. I did throw some normal bulbs in my Amazon basket too, just in case. But we'll see how we go. Alright, you know what? I'm willing to take the responsibility. It's happening, people. If the weather turns crap from now on, it's my fault. It's coming out of the jacket. There. Done. Right, well, we'll hit the road and see if it works okay. I mean, I'm not going to know anything about it because it's behind me, but... Oh, I tell you what, just standing here in the sunshine, been getting warm. What's coming up on the channel then? I definitely need to fix the chain, replace the chain and sprockets. That's definitely worn out. So I'm going to get those parts on order. That's probably going to be a holiday's job. And I'm excited to say I just booked my campsite for next half term. I'm going to be heading off to York, so really looking forward to taking you with me. Probably need to make a video about all the camping gear we take, as well as the trip itself. One or two other bits and pieces along the way. But I hope you are looking forward to a lovely spring and summer of riding. Let me know if there's anything you want to see. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.